Hello guys, welcome back. This is the announcement of the course Microsoft Fabric which I am going to launch on my website called www.geekcoders.co.in. So this is just an introduction video of the Microsoft Fabric, and in this video we'll be seeing what is Microsoft Fabric, what is the advantages of my Microsoft Fabric, why Microsoft has launched this Microsoft Fabric platform, right, or product. Okay, and at the end of this course I will be giving you a project, okay, which is completely based on this Microsoft Fabric. We will be using only Microsoft Fabric workspace, right? We will not using a separate data factory or some other services. Okay, so first let's understand what is Microsoft Fabric, and maybe then you can understand more whether you want to learn this Microsoft Fabric now or later. Okay, so Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one analytics solution for enterprise that covers every solution from data movement to data science, real-time analytics, business intelligence. It offers a comprehensive suite of services including data lake, data engineering, data integration all in one place. So what does it mean? Let's understand, right? So usually what used to happen, or what is happening now, that for data engineering stuff, okay, for data engineering stuff in Azure, okay, in Azure we have different different tools. We have data factory, right, for ETL, correct. We have maybe Databricks, some people use Databricks, so we have Databricks for the processing. And to dump the data we have some people dump the data in Azure Synapse, so we have Synapse things, right, for data warehouse concepts. And then we have ADLS also, correct. And also what we have Power BI solution also, right. We have Power BI for reporting purpose, for reporting. And for ADLS, we have Gen 2. I mean, for that, we have that. So when we make a project currently, when you make a project, we have to integrate data factory maybe with Databricks, or maybe Databricks with ADLS, or Synapse with Power BI, or Power BI with Databricks. So we this data factory have one different resource, one different it comes under some different subscription, correct. And likewise, data for Databricks we have to take a subscription, another subscription. Then for Synapse we have to take another subscription, or resource group we have to create it, right. For AWS the same thing. For Power BI we have to take another subscription, right. So to avoid all these stuff, we have Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so as the picture shows, you can see we have data factory, we have Synapse data engineering, Synapse data warehouse concept, Synapse data science, Synapse real-time analytics, and Power BI. And this is a one lake, and this is a SAS Foundation, SaaS, okay, software as a service. So data factory, data warehouse, Power BI, it is like PaaS service, okay, a PaaS software we can say, means platform as a service. But this is a SaaS, software as a service. Okay, so it is entire a one software, okay, which helps us to give a proper end-to-end solution to our business holders, right, about their data, about their business. So now this is another points what I have written over here, that this Microsoft Fabric has a unified data lake. We call it one lake, okay, and one lake is made on top of ADLS Gen 2. So you can say one lake is nothing, a advanced feature of a Gen 2. Okay, then all services are integrated, as I already told that all services are integrated here. Data factory, Spark, Power BI, etc. Then developers can easily access and reuse all the assets, है ना? And then centralize administration and governance across all experiences. Means usually in data factory we used to go to RBAC, right, or IAM control, all the stuff, or AAD things, right, to give the access, to maintain the access. But here we can provide the access in this Microsoft Fabric itself only, right? And as I told you, that is a SaaS product, and one tenant have only one Microsoft Fabric workspace. Okay, and all these services which is provided by Microsoft Fabric, let's say Power BI for reporting purpose, Data Factory for orchestration for ETL concept, then Synapse, data engineering, data science, data warehouse, real-time analytics. Also, if you can see this picture, then here we have Synapse data engineering. The same thing is written over here, that we have a warehouse, we have a lake house, and then we have a custodb. So custodb is something which, if we want to do some real-time analysis, right? So though that data should be stored in the custodbs, right? Custodbs, and we call it a KQL. I mean, to deal with the custodb, we have a language called KQL. So we'll see in the next video, in the coming videos, but you can ignore all this stuff, but just understand what's happening, what we are going to learn in future. Then we have data set, what we have in Spark or Databricks, right? We have data warehouse, lake house, then custodb and data set. That's only we have it in Data Factory, in Spark, in Databricks, and then in data warehouse. And they integrated all this stuff into a single thing. You can say we have T-SQL, we have Spark, KQL, analysis services, okay, and all this stuff is written over here, what I already told you, right? So this is just a small introduction of what is Microsoft Fabric. And in the next video we'll be seeing how we can set up an account, how we can set up a workspace with the help of our ID, and how we can get a free trial version of Microsoft Fabric. And moreover, we are going to learn about the data factory. See, if you already know data factory, if you already know data warehouse, all these things, then this course you will learn very easily. But if you do not know anything about the data factory, and or what is Spark, then I would suggest first just have a basic understanding of these terminologies, and then move to this course. Then you will learn easily. Anyways, you will learn it from my videos, but it is recommended, it's good to have, it's good to, if you already know data factory before, data warehouse concept, SQL, right, and Power BI. And then we will be I also be telling you, or giving you some task, right, so that you will learn it properly. But it's my suggestion. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you understood it, and it's a very short video. And moving forward, I will be creating more videos, how to sign up, how to create accounts, and then how to deal with these terminologies, correct? So chalo, thank you, bye bye, and we'll meet you in the next lecture.